Going on, Duane?
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you this morning so far?
All right, man. I'm kind of lit too, man. Like you saw, I was in the pre-market,
Okay.
and I was like, I was messing around with my sim account.
Yeah.
Made it did it was just going up. I'm like, what the hell? So I jumped in a little trade on the sim account though.
Mm-hmm.
I'm at made 4,700.
Nice. Nice.
47.
I did take a trade for that pre-market as well.
I
Uh,
knew it. I knew it.
no, I don't want to hear that, G. I don't want to hear that.
I
Uh,
knew no, because let me tell you, I'm looking. I said, damn.
there you go, right there. 2 grand on it,
Oh my god. So you jumped in that one then,
but don't tell
when
no one.
I'm
Don't
looking,
tell no
I'm
one.
like, the market was just shooting up, 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 up. I said, oh my, what is going on?
Yeah, it was the news that came out of that farm payroll or whatever.
What time
Um,
did that news come out?
8:30.
That's why. That's why. That's why.
So we had that news this morning. Then yesterday we had 4 things of news as well come out. We're done for news for this week, so
Okay. Okay.
we'll take it. We'll definitely take it.
Yeah. I wish that was one
Fun.
of my like
Yeah,
my eval accounts. I would have been like, yo, I would have got a funding account.
yeah. You've
Right
been
there.
done. You already been done.
I mean, what would they do with the extra? That extra you made?
Nothing.
Just whatever.
Yep.
Okay. I thought they would have gave you like a little extra too.
No. No.
Okay. Okay.
Alrighty. Well, I'm expecting a pullback. To be real.
A big one, huh?
Not even. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. But we only push because of the news.
Right.
So I want to see if we get a nice strong pullback down at open
How
to
low
see
you think?
what we
How low
could
you think
get.
it may go to? What do you think?
That one, I can't really tell you as of right now. I want to see at least like a 50% retracement from the news. So from where we're currently at up here at the 881, probably like 50% of that. So like coming down to at least like 840.
I'm gonna just wait till after the 15 minutes, man. That's exactly
Smart man. Smart man. Because I'm on the wrong screen. There we go. I put a request in yesterday for 4K payout. So I'm not trading those 2 accounts today until that payout gets approved and they pull the money from the account.
Right?
Yeah.
So all right, my thing when you get the payout, so like you still keep trading. You still keep trading on that that account that you got the payout from.
I do, but after I get the money out of it.
Okay.
So I don't like with the prop firm that I requested a 4K from, Apex. They're a little bit slower than Tradeify and Take Profit.
Okay.
So I'm not going to trade those accounts until I see the money pulled out of my funded account from the balance.
Okay.
Because once I see that, then I'm like, okay, cool. Then the money's already out, so I could continue to trade it. But I don't want to trade it until I see that money come out, only because say I take a bad trade and I blow the account, I'll lose that payout. Unlike Tradeify and Take Profit, where it's pretty instant when you just do your request on getting the money in your account. Like Tradeify, you put a request in for a payout, you normally have it within an hour, tops 2 hours.
Yeah, it seems like Tradeify they're a lot quicker, man.
They are. That's why I've enjoyed trading with them because they pay so quickly. Like Apex put the request in yesterday.
Kayla.
In the morning, Kayla. It goes through an entire process of pending, under review. Then they'll pay it or they'll deny it. So you just have to jump through a couple more hoops with them. Where Tradeify, as long as you don't go below that $2,100 threshold, like you don't blow your account, you're good. Is the music good for you guys? Is it too loud?
It's okay.
Do I need to pull it down just a little bit? Y'all tell me.
Just a little bit. That's perfect.
Right there?
Yes.
All right. For everyone watching on YouTube, welcome. First off, the voices you're going to hear other than my own, those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society, a community helping traders become profitable in the markets. Doesn't matter if you're new or you're a trader, doesn't matter. We help you succeed. With that being said, stay safe in the markets. We're going to keep it going. So we did have news come out this morning. So that's why we had the big push from the 830 candle. We're well above the VWAP, well above the 21 EMA currently. But I'm just going to wait to see if we get a nice little pullback. That's what I'm expecting. If we don't get a pullback, that's okay. We got a pivot point at 23,900 currently. So we're going to see what the market gives us. I'm ready to make some money today.
Me too.
I just want that payout that I requested yesterday to hit the account already. But I probably won't get that money in the account because, like I said, Apex is slower. Probably till like Monday or Tuesday of next week.
Oh, okay.
But hey, 4Gs is 4Gs, so at least I know it's going to be coming.
Right.
Woo!
It's going up too. Well, it looked like a good, but it made like that 900, and then probably go back down.
All-time highs was at the 24,740. No, 23,074 level was the all-time high for the Nasdaq. So we're going to see what direction we go into and head to. We got that pivot point, so we may get sucked up to that pivot point and then reject off of it. But there has to be some type of pullback. And if there's not, I'll take a long, but I want to see a pullback. What am I eating after this? Did legs this morning. Felt good. Felt good. And finally, the gym was actually pretty dead today. So I was in paradise. Less people. I love it. All right, less than a minute. Well, a little bit over a minute now for market open here. Yeah, we gotta get a pullback. We just printed a bear flag on the 2-minute.
Right.
It's like I want to jump in on this bear flag, but I want market open first.
It's about to right now. Go do it. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait, man. I'm gonna wait.
I got the finger on the trigger, ready. Already
You
up
got it.
2K for the day.
You ready to sell on the sell bid?
Yep. Only if there's the momentum on this bear flag.
Okay.
Looking at the 2 minute.
Okay.
So you're already selling stuff, huh, Monster?
Want to see a pullback.
Are we supposed to be waiting until the market at least opens?
The market is open. Right at 9:30. I'm looking. I'm ready.
Steve comes out of nowhere.
All right. Glad I didn't go short. Hit that pivot point. Got rejected right away.
Right away.
We spoke on that already.
Right.
I feel like I'm late to the party, guys.
No, you're never late to the party. You're fashionably late. You know what I'm saying?
It's 9:30, man. It sounds like you've been trading for an hour, sucker.
No, hasn't been no hour. Not yet. All right, there's the pullback. Let's see if we get some continuation.
Oh.
Through that EMA.
Short should be good here too.
I jumped in on it. Waiting to see if it plays out here.
Okay.
If not, I'm gonna cut this one.
I'm gonna go cut you, sucker.
Come on, let's do that dip. Going down. Don't believe me dropping around this time. But I don't know. It's been on. I'm not gonna lie. It's been on the uptrend though. Okay, here we go. Keep going
Here
down.
we go.
Keep going down. Well, Duane. It went right back. Consolidating as usual.
Hey, so my name is Steve. I'm a trader. So like at 8:30, I sinned. I jumped in and played the market a little bit while I was with the micros.
I think we all play the market at 8:30 just without each other.
Right.
Hey, mate, G and I were hanging at Win Dixie. Where was your ass?
Hey, listen. I made like 47 on the sim, in the pre-market.
Yeah, I had I had said it. I didn't realize it was on micros, so I was like just trying stuff, and it was about that. It's like I could go buy like a sub sandwich.
A sub sandwich.
Oh, it is consolidating, bro. I'm just gonna wait. Come on, keep going down.
Want that push through though. I want that quick.
It's coming. Oh, it's coming. There we go. Come on, a little more. Keep going down.
No, we're stalling. I don't like that stall.
Yeah, man.
Let's see if we get the follow through right here.
Right. Okay.
Nope, stalled again.
It's like it's using your trade line as resistance.
I don't like that.
He said, I don't like that.
I'm telling you, man, that's how I feel. I'm like, what, is it looking at me? And then the whole market says, nah. Nobody's riding along. I'm gonna consolidate right here. But what's the indicator, Steve's trade?
Keep going down, man. Get to that 40. Once you get to like the low 49, 40. Oh, see, come on now. Keep going down. Let's keep going down. Come on. Let's go. For real. Dump through the 40 level. Come on. Keep going down.
I closed it. I'm not gonna hold this one. Made some more money on this account.
You closed it. Look what happened.
Hey, that's fine, but I'm not in drawdown.
Oh my God.
You know what I'm saying? I don't even care about that, to be real.
Look what happened. That's when it wants to go down, when you get out.
Hey,
my man Duane doesn't FOMO, okay?
no, I FOMO'd into that trade, went into drawdown. That's why I got out. I'm like, hey, I see green. Let me just get out.
Don't talk bad about my ace.
Nobody talking bad about no money. You know, you just gotta eat up. Just, man. I feel like that always happens. Like as soon as when you get out, that's when it does what you wanted to do.
That's what we feel as traders, but the market's not watching us.
Well,
Market doesn't care about us.
It's looking at me and smiling right now. But we're momentum traders. We look at the flags and then we follow the momentum.
Yep. I want to see if we get a push up to build us a nice little bear flag.
Bear flag. Yep.
Because we got the VWAP down at 812. 812 for the VWAP.
Yeah, I'm seeing that, and I'm seeing the fact that it was kind of like, you know, kind of going sideways for a while, and I kicked out of that. So let's get some structure and let's kick some butt.
Yep. Want to see a push up. Because the structure makes the trade that much better.
Mm-hmm.
It's 9:37, so it's still early.
It's so early, I'm going back to bed.
Going back to bed, eh?
Nah, can't do that.
Yeah, nope. Tons of selling pressure right now. Looking at this 5-minute chart as well. Let's see what we get. So up for the day, just under 2,500 bucks. All right. So those bears are stepping in. They want this price to go down, but I want to see some strong follow through.
It's going down that VWAP. Oh, I figured out it's 10 micros to make a mini.
Okay.
So, like, with that in mind, you know, like, for, you know, if you want to get in and not quite do 4, you could do 35 micros. It'd be like 3.5. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So it's like a cool way to nuance. You know what I mean? It's kind of like I put that in my data bank.
Up and down. Up and up.
Are we about to hear like G do that waterfall song again?
Don't go chasing waterfall.
But you bring out like an edge to it that was never in the original. That's the thing.
Stop it, Steve. Oh,
hey, maybe we'll get a flag on a 5 if we push it up. Come on.
That bear, right?
Yep.
Now you want to come down. Ugh. Shorting into that EMA again.
Now to compare charts on the 2-minute, my EMA is at 23,860.
Oh, you think you got to go up there?
Well, I'm just saying, I'm like looking at.
It's looking like it though.
It's looking like a nice flag now.
Like it's more going on the uptrend now.
But it's building out a bull flag as far as I'm concerned on the 2. What do you think?
On the 2-minute, right?
Close
I was just
that.
looking at that. I was just looking at that, Steve. I was just looking at that.
Dwayne's dancing, but do you agree that it's a bull flag coming out on the 2?
No, not on the 2.
No, I mean a bear, a grouse.
Oh, bear, yes.
That's what I meant.
Well, not a bull flag. Not a
No,
bull
no,
flag.
No. I'm saying it's going down. It's heading to the next move. It's looking at the flag builds out. It could be heading to that VWAP. Dwayne just ignores this. He's like, man, the kid.
No, I'm trying to find this account. Not ignoring you.
Okay, I got like a weird thing. For some reason, my old account's like populated, the ones I'm no longer using.
Yeah, Tradeify is slow with taking them off, but they won't be in your dashboard on Tradeify.
Yeah, but so like right now, it's like on Ninja Trader.
It's
like
still
I have
there.
like a.
Yeah.
I have a spend account and I want to get rid of it.
You could probably maybe send a ticket to Tradeify. Like that happens to me too. So
it's showing up as like an account that could trade. So if you're in the heat of battle, you pull down that on the
click
thing.
and you click on something wrong and it's not true. Yep.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, sorry, you can't do it. And it's like, well, then delete it. Okay, I'm not. It's not a subscription I have right now.
we're gonna have a decent range. Let's see, that was 80. So 80-point range so far for the open for today.
Your voice is a little tinny, brother.
He says,
well, no, maybe it was just your positioning, but it kind of went like a little bit. But when you did
is that better?
Yeah.
Cool.
And I have noticed you're turning the jazz down a skosh, but
I only dropped it. I asked G and them this morning, how was it? Turn it down just slightly so it wasn't too overpowering this morning.
No, that's fine. It just it's lighter than normal. I'd say like it's a skosh, but they just want to listen to the money being made.
Cha-ching. No.
Ching.
Let's see, 2 more minutes for this 15-minute range to be completed.
Right. So after does it pop up on your chart on TradingView, right, Dwayne?
Yeah, so the first 15 minutes, it's on my TradingView already. Like, but it turns a different color once the range is completed for the 15 minutes.
And you picked the algo one, right? The one with the flux chart?
Yeah, Lux Algo.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. Yep, because it shows, I see it, but it's under. It's I see one of the orders that it has, but it's. I guess that's probably at a pre-market. Like 1 more minute.
I do need to trade that one today as well. With that day.
anybody have any coffee for me?
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm ready to eat. I did legs today, so now I'm just hungry.
Oh yeah, if you did legs, then I could, yeah, I'd like feed.
Go down.
Mm, 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 mm.
That was a good short, huh, Duane?
It was a quick little one, just a quick one.
Okay.
But just gave it back right there.
He said it.
No, I had this eval from Tradeify that was like real close to like blowing, so losing that right there, I just blew it on that pullback. Let me go to my take profit. Starting to get some action. That 5 minutes looking like a big bear flag.
Yeah.
Yep, that 5 minutes looking like a big bear flag, which we'll definitely take.
Yes.
Buyers trying to step in right there. Are they going to be able to hold it? Trying to handle something real quick. Come on, mouse.
I wonder what Lake Brantley High's football team is like this year.
I feel like every year with the high schools, like nowadays, like the kids get smaller.
But you know what it was like.
I was even saying that. I was saying that to when I was in high school. I was like, after when I graduate, no, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, what just happened?
Well, he graduated. That's a good thing.
Oh my God, it's going up.
Yep. I just got kicked off.
Really?
I was disconnecting from one. I just got kicked off completely off Ninja.
Ooh, that thing is shooting up.
It would right when I got kicked off. Come on, log in. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
I gotta do the retracing now. What?
You know what you and my mentor says? Have you heard Dwayne? He says, "You don't worry. There's another move coming."
Yeah, always, always.
But what I was saying while you're signing back in is, like, you go and it's like there was like one time they ran one play and that was it, like every time.
Yeah.
And then then they got into a couple of plays, but then you start. So like this year, I'm going to be seeing the game, so I'll see what it is. Hopefully it'll be entertaining.
Okay. Oh, what's going on here? Okay.
Straight over there.
Huh?
Well, I said no. I said getting it situated over there.
Yeah, I gotta connect to everything again.
But like speaking of what you guys said, there were some tiny dudes on that field, and they're playing like offensive line, and it's just like, and they're on the line. It's like, what in the world, dude?
Yeah, they're getting smaller though. I'll tell you that. But with some of these people, you got to take what you got. You got to take what they give you.
Yeah.
And that's what my man G says about the market, because he says, if you're trying to have fantasy football in the market, you can't. Man, look at
See it, right? It's going up. I think it's about to go to that 20. Well, I think it's going to touch it, and it's going to go right back down. Watch.
Well, we got that pivot point right there at the 900. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, we have a pivot point right there.
Yeah,
oh, yeah, 899.
That's a lot of pull to go.
I think it's going to do it. It's going to touch it, but come right back down.
We're going to see.
Yeah, that one indicator draws the lines, like
the trend line.
Oh, the trend line. That's what it is.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Wow.
That.
Somebody was like in that trade going long and say it's gonna touch that. Oh,
wow, that's crazy. That's so dirty. That's so dirty.
Like 500,000 people just lost their account.
Right.
There goes my honey. Just $50 more. I'm gonna get a payout.
Boy,
Not anymore.
If you
wow.
were in this deal, oh my gosh.
Yeah, you just made tons of money, but most people were looking for the long.
Oh yeah. I'm telling you, like every indicator in the world to me was saying that thing was gonna ease on up.
But I was saying this looks like a bear flag on that 5 minute.
Did? Yes, you did.
Yeah.
You see that?
It feels like a bear flag.
I got the worst fill right there. That's crazy. It lags so hard. I'm getting ready.
The latency is crazy sometimes.
Yeah, I jumped in and it lagged for like 3 seconds.
And that was a big drop. Yeah, let me get out of that. I was trying to hold it, but we may start going right back up potentially because that wick on that 5 minute showing that buying pressure. Those sellers came in like, I was like, oh, well, what do we see printing on that 2 minute? Another bear?
Looking at the 2 minute right now, we don't have a flag.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
Look at the second candle from the left, and it's got that bottoming tail on it, just like
Yep.
Wow.
You see that wick?
Same on the 5 minute. That wick's massive.
So that means what? That's is pushing the price up.
Yep, the price went all the way down. The buyers pushed it up.
Pushed it up. Gotcha. Okay.
Man, that thing went so fast. It like put my my Renko on F. You know, like it like, froze it. I was like, why is it not moving? And it's like, I had to like, what? Okay.
And what's crazy, that move came literally out of nowhere. Out of nowhere.
Yeah, I mean, it's not the top of the hour. There's no news. It was just like, now we're gonna touch the VWAP.
I'm not risking my fundeds with right now.
I'm not. Hey, Duane, man, listen, we just got to be patient. Let's wait for a setup. That's it.
Oh,
No, I know that, but that move, how it ripped like that out of nowhere, nah, I don't trust the market.
For real, man. I was like, oh.
We got the VWAP right below us.
Did Powell come on and wave out the window of the Fed or something? Hi.
So I'll just work on getting this account funded today. Not risking the fundeds. And I'm also in the process of getting that payout. So that's why I'm like, I could hold off. Get a 4K payout. So just waiting for it to be approved.
Oh, so that one doesn't happen as quick as Tradeify.
No. That's the only thing. That's the one reason why I prefer trading with Tradeify is Apex. They're just so much slower.
Well, how about this? Like, while you're waiting, go get yourself another friend, like another eval, and start from scratch and have some fun.
Yeah, that's what this one is right here. We're going to have some fun. I already put money in my funded accounts. Now I'm done for the day. I want to go into the weekend green. Right now we're consolidating. Looks on that 1 minute. Looks like we're trying to get another bear flag on the one, but
on the 2 minute, it's got looking like something.
Another
5 minute just about touched the VWAP.
That lagged once again.
Come on now.
I want to see if I can push $5,000 on this damn sim.
Just waiting. Just waiting. Proud of myself though. This morning when I woke up, I did not feel like going to the gym, but I made sure I got there. So we'll take it.
Legs, dude.
That I did. That I did.
That's not like what you go in and you say, I'm gonna walk on a treadmill or something.
All right, Bear Flag's playing out on the 2 minute. Want to get through that VWAP that's right below us.
Yes.
That's why I'm not jumping in right away, only because hello.
Well, it tested, now it's retrying it.
Let's see if we get the follow through. We got pivot point below us.
Which one is it?
Oh, the pivot point's at 791 for the pivot.
Oh, 791. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. I didn't see that.
That pivot wants to get touched. Are we going to get there? That's the question. Click the wrong button. Consolidating. Looks like we're building out a bear flag on the 2 minute.
That doji candle to the left, that's insane. Like it's smashed flat.
Just blew this eval right there. Went too much in drawdown. Went down. I didn't close at the 1,000. I wanted the pivot point. I think I'm just gonna hang out for the rest of the day.
Oh, you bet. You're funner when you're like on the line. You're just like hilarious. Reach into your pocket change and buy another eval.
Oh, I got evals. That's not the problem. I got evals, Steve.
Okay, well listen. I know you're gonna do a song about it, but like, let's go.
I'm gonna do a song about it.
I'll tell you how much evals I went through. Good. But I tell you. But learning, you learn.
It's a process, man.
Yeah, it is. It is. You know, I'm in beginning stages, so like, hey.
Look, I'm gonna say this. I mean, it's just really great that this group is here, and I mean, it's just like, it's like grateful for you and your inspiration, and Duane, I'm grateful for that. And I don't know who's like hiding in here.
Who's hiding in here?
But okay, money is the other one. Okay.
I'm just getting ready for work.
All right, yeah. You're like the strong, silent type. It's like somebody like watching.
I'm watching.
Observing, actually. I'm sorry. I got to use the proper term.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here you go, Duane.
Tap that pivot point. We tapped it. Want to see the follow through it now.
Yeah, because there's a trend line. I got to get rid of some of them because like the VWAP, they made a bunch of lines.
Yeah.
And I took some out, but there's like more. It's like
That bear still printing on that 2-minute, or?
We just need the follow through on the 2-minute for it to be like the full bear flag playing out. I want to see us get below that pivot point, that 91 level.
So get down to like 81, so we're just kind of clear, and then it'll go into the waterfall that you were talking about.
Once we get below that 91, I feel a waterfall. I do. That whole number.
Oh, see, it touched it, did it go right back up? Look.
Tapping that pivot once again. Just blew this eval. I'll do one more. Trade one more eval.
Don't try to do it in one, Doctor.
Huh?
But don't try to do it in one.
It's not that I'm trying to do it in one. What's the lever? Like I said earlier this week, I need to work on not getting in right away, so I can watch it play out a little bit more. To be real,
like legacy wealth doctrine states, you'll test it and then you wait for the follow through and confirm it on the rank. I'm saying for myself, okay? Dwayne's like making a face and he's got his head. He's like,
no one's making a face. Build on another bear flag.
It keeps touching that 791 and going right back.
Yep, that's the pivot point.
Yeah, it keeps touching it. You know you wanna do the waterfall, babe. You know you wanna do.
We gotta get through it. We gotta get through it.
Yeah, otherwise you'll get chopped. All right. There we go.
I'll
Sorry,
get
I
a
was
little
talking
bit
while you-
further away from it.
All right, that's 200 on that.
I closed that one. We popped above that pivot point. Buyers are trying to step in. Look at the wick on the 5 minute. Even the 2 minute has a wick. Let's see if we use this pivot to bounce off of. Maybe not.
There's that other trend line right there at 774.
Buyers trying to hold. Are we about a waterfall? Target I'm looking for currently would be 741. Instant pullback. Going to my Apex. I'm not feeling my Tradeify today, not gonna lie.
Uh-oh, looks like you want to go back up and touch the pivot.
What was that magnet, man? It has to touch it.
And then what? Go back down, go down more again? Pretty much?
Well, the whole thing is with it, we're looking for if it touches it and doesn't push through and gets rejected, that's where you would take a quick short.
Okay.
It didn't quite touch it though. It's like a skosh away.
But it's below the pivot point now.
I feel like we're getting ready to start putting a bear flag on the 2 minute, on the 2 minute. Want to see us push up slightly, build out another flag.
Right. I see that.
Use that pivot as resistance to
pivot.
tap it, to push it back down. Give us that waterfall, baby. Come on. You can do it. Not a fast enough waterfall for me, so I closed it.
I don't think a waterfall bounces around like a ping pong ball.
Oh, and then waterfalls.
Oh, there go my sound.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Bing, 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 bing. Come on, waterfall for me, baby.
That's awesome.
Come on, keep going down, baby. Ooh, yeah. Come on. You know you want to keep going down. Let's go.
Let's see if we're going to hit that 741 level.
What was the 741?
That was just one of the targets I had.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry.
No, that was one of the targets. Next target I'm looking for. We gotta get below that 741 level first, but it should be right around like 699 for the next level. So I wouldn't even. That's the target, but that whole number.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll take 215 on that. Go back to this other. Bing, 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 bing.
Bing, bing, bing.
Bing, bing, bing. You got out of that one?
Yep, quick like 300, 400 bucks on it.
Okay. Yeah, I did like a quick 200.
Want to see us push up, build out a bear flag, keep us going down. We have the close from yesterday at 684.
684.
So the fact that we shot up the way we did and we've come all the way back down like this. Crazy. All the way, come on.
Do it, baby.
We got that whole number coming up.
Stay, Duane. Oh my goodness.
I should have, but
But you know that Duane knows he's not gonna FOMO.
Right.
Nope. Well, for me, I rather just get the lock in the guaranteed profit.
Right.
Because lock in the guaranteed profit each and every day, that's how you get to the payouts.
You think it's gonna go down more when it bounces off that 700 or go back up?
Well, we got that 684 level. 684, that's the close from yesterday.
What is it? What's 691? That's showing as a red line. Is that overnight low?
That's the current low. 691.
Okay, because it's just off the edge of my chart, so I couldn't see it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make it out. Sorry, that was the dumbest question. Forgive me. Forgive me,
There
sir.
are no such things as dumb questions.
Okay, so if there's no such thing as dumb question, what what is the best Christmas gift in the world?
The gift of life.
A broken drum, because you just can't beat it.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
I love saying that. I love saying that too, like to believers, because they're like, oh, they get deep, or somebody else like, no, man, it's this, and they're just like, Steve.
I was not expecting that. Not gonna lie to you.
That's
That was a
great,
good
man.
one.
That's a good one. You got young kids, so that's the kind of thing you can pull out of your hat.
They're gonna look at me, Dad, really? That's what they'll say. Like, really, Dad? That's what you said? You know, I think they would categorize that as a dad joke.
I am a dad. You know that, right? It's time that I confess.
I did not know that. No. But that's I'm gonna have to give them that one later today. $10.21. Let's see if we build out a bear flag on the
Looking like
5
pretty
minute and the
hopeful.
2 minute.
I'm looking at both of those, and they look pretty hopeful.
Yep.
What cracks me up is I'm looking at the 5, and I'm expecting a bear flag, and in the last like 10 seconds, it's like, nope.
Yep, not today.
Have you thought of doodling at all? It's kind of fun.
Yes and no. That's the doodle for the day so far. We've been having, let's see how many we've had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bear flags on the 1 minute.
I was primarily looking at the 1 minute, and then I kind of got the vibe from when you're checking your charts at 2 minutes. I've been kind of gravitating towards that, kind of to like slow it down psychologically.
We'll take that. 684 level got hit.
Yeah. Okay, what's next to be free?
Right now, this thing's just dumping. We got a pivot point down at 601. 601 for a pivot. Let's see how we act if we go back to that 684 level, which was the close from yesterday. Buyers trying to step in hard here. Alrighty, let me see on this account. rotate to the next one. So just got another funded account right there with Apex. So we'll definitely take that. That'll give me 5 funded current accounts with Apex. And the thing with Apex, the only reason why I'm trading them, they give you up to 20 funded accounts.
Apex?
So yeah, so think about the leverage you can get trading 20 accounts.
Yeah, that's hardcore.
You know,
What about
you make $100 and you copy trade, you just made $2,000.
Yep. And then how many can you do in Tradeify at a time?
5. Only 5 with Tradeify, but Tradeify pays faster.
Yeah.
So you have more leverage with Apex, but you're waiting, and they have a little bit more rules, everything like that as well than Tradeify. But I'm trying to build all of them up to like their max amount that you can have.
Yeah. We're gonna hit that low again.
Well, we tapped it, waiting to see if we get the follow through or go right through the low, and I'll take another short. Because next target for me is going to be 621. That was an eval, so not mad. I went 10 contracts in and it pulled back right there, so that's on me.
I'll be right back.
Gee, how you doing over there?
Right. All right. Just waiting on the right move.
Did I connect? It did not connect. Disconnected.
Ooh, I know you're in this one.
I'm not in it. I was reconnecting at Tradeify. And can't trade 10 contracts with them, so gotta drop it down to the 5. I am not feeling. I'm not good with Tradeify today. This is crazy. I just blew that account that quick. So I'm gonna stop trading Tradeify. Apex is working. Everything else is working for me, but Tradeify today. Let me switch over to one of my other Apex accounts.
Just like that. Damn, boy, this market. Woo.
But you see, just like that on my Apex, take the trade, money. If I go on Tradeify, it ain't happening. At least for today. At least for today. I'm pushing too hard on the Tradeify accounts. And that's my issue. Let me see what this puts this balance on.
Yo. What? There was
Mm-mm. What we got? Give us a flag. Bulls are trying to push. Bulls are trying to push. We got that 684 level close from yesterday above us. One, two, three, four. Past 4 2-minute candles. We have wicks on all of them.
There's the iconic shot of Duane dancing to the music. Full screen, that sucker, of course.
I'm trying to see what my balance is on for this account. All these wicks on the 2-minute. Let me swap over to it. Look at all the wicks on all these candles.
Yeah, the bottoming wicks. They're trying to push that sucker up.
Yep. The bulls want to push it back up, but the bears, they're not giving up.
Yeah, the topping tails. And the doji candles.
I should have held on for a little bit longer on that one. Well, there we go. Excited about that one. Extremely happy with this one because this account, quite proud of myself. I did something that I've never done before. Not trying to switch it up or anything like that, but just trying to see. This was a 150K account with Apex.
So you had to get 9,000, right?
Had to get 9,000, and you could take as long as you need to get there, but you have to do 9,000 to pass it. Within the past 2 days, I put 9K in this account. So now, when I activate it, I only did it because the drawdown is $5,000. So for me, $5,000 for drawdown, that's more than enough at the end of the day. So now I just added 2 funded accounts for Apex today. I'm tempted to try doing another Tradeify, but Tradeify hasn't been working with me today. So
Well, I messed up on Tradeify because there was one subscription that was hiding. And
Okay.
So it just charged me, and then of course it's like a redundant subscription. So that took my budget for getting another eval right now, but it's all right.
yeah, that's annoying. That's annoying. That's why I always go in and I cancel them.
Oh yeah. I mean, it was just a rookie mistake because I thought I did, but I didn't, and it was like I caught it right on the day. That's the cut.
Yeah.
It was like so. Oh well. For me, I know it can only get better.
That is extremely true. Extremely true.
It's a shitty revelation to have, but it's true.
Well, you gotta think about it. Most people, as well. I'm gonna do one more Tradeify day. If not, I'm calling it on my Tradeify days for today. But most people, you gotta think they spend thousands upon thousands of dollars for their education.
No, listen. I mean, it's it's kind of like it's one of those asterisks on a thing. Like I totally believe in it. I just everybody learns at a different rate, and and it's just like I also know there's some people playing poker, so they're like blowing shit and they're not saying it.
Yeah.
But it's just like when I leave a subscription account where I'm just paying for nothing, that's just like a gut punch. It's like, come on. So it's just it's like at least let me blow the damn account.
Yeah.
Not that I'm trying to. So I mean, it is a learning process.
And
like
to
I
be
said,
real with you, I've blown today three evals.
Yeah.
I just blew one.
You know what I'm saying? Like, so.
No, and it's I mean, I'm not mad about blowing accounts, but I'm mad about like paying. It's like buying like a subscription.
Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. Oh my, that's craziness. We got that pivot point at the 600 level. Yep.
Pivot point and whole number.
Yep. Oof. It's so crazy. We were up at 8 something, and we're coming all the way down here. Or we were close to like 900. I gotta see. We went we were up 902. Yeah, I'm gonna be real complete transparency. Flew 3 evals. I took a trade on my brand new funded account that I activated yesterday and traded. Blew that one today as well. But Apex, I've been doing great. That's why I was saying Tradeify's not working with me today.
I just like I'm just saying, like for me, it's like to buy something that's just nothing is just
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. I mean, that thing does not want to touch the whole number all of a sudden. It's going gonzo. Oh well.
Yep, I'm holding. Maybe I'll even put stop losses on this one.
Well, the stop losses are great in theory, but when it's junking around, it's just like it's going up, and then just like a quick jag, and it's like boom. Oh well. So I'm still like trying to, I think there's like a good tempo that they work. Like your brother, like doing the overnight.
Yeah.
The perfect time for it. You just. You do the trade, you close the computer, you wake up to see, you know what I mean? Because that way it's just like, it's not going to be like some weird. Ooh.
Yeah. All right, 1450 on that one. Closed out because we hit that pivot point. Didn't want to retest it.
Well, now it's at the whole number too, so.
Yeah, I'm holding, not jumping in yet. Let me see if I could get this one funded today as well. Get me back on track with Tradeify. Through that pivot once again.
Yeah, we need to really trade the market we're in, that's for sure. You know what I mean?
Yep. I just want to know what made this price come down over 200 points.
Well, you said you were there for the news. The news like jumped it up, so that was part of it. And
well, it was going up pre-market as well for the overnight session.
Yeah.
So even for the overnight, it was still pumping up before the news even came out.
Is there any flags printing out at the moment?
I'm waiting for the 2-minute chart to see if we get a flag there. I want this candle that we're currently on to stay to be green. We are under the pivot point.
But still, it's like the pivot point and then that whole number. That's kind of interesting.
Moment and shoots up. What? I literally thought it was gonna go back down again.
Well, we want to build out a flag. So right here, we want that candle to stay green.
Bless you.
Thank you. So right now, even on the 2-minute, looking like a bull flag, bear flag printing, bear flag on the 2-minute. Same on the 1-minute, but want to get below the 600 level and that pivot point to make me feel comfortable.
Ooh.
Gotta get below that pivot point. I know a lot of people got chopped up today, I'll tell you that. Myself included. Didn't get filled. Let me close that out. Disappointed it didn't get filled. Wow. No, something had come out. Like, this is craziness. Market's just selling off right now, which completely fine. I'm not complaining. But Trump must have said something. Something. Next target now. Mind you, this is the 7th target for today, 540. And let me pull this up so I can show you what I mean. There we go. This has been today. Market just completely selling off there.
Man.
Right on.
The Bears want to take this thing lower. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, they're fighting it for sure.
Man.
I already know, man. I hate that shit. Bro, that shit pisses me off.
It's the market's moving. The market's
Yeah.
I should have closed it, but I didn't. I wanted more. I was getting greedy. Right now, looking at
2 minutes.
looking at the 2-minute here. Want to see if we get.
Get above the pivot point again, or
No, I want to see us build out a bear flag right here. We're bouncing on this target, this 581 level. go check that. See if they approved my payout yet. Keep
So,
me
like,
from.
on Apex, is there like a set time, or is it just you never kind of know within a reason?
You never know. That's what's annoying about it.
So it's not like you can count on, okay, it's not tonight, but it'll be within. So it just shows up.
No. So their process is you submit your payout request. It says pending. Then from pending, it goes to under review because they're making sure you didn't break any of their rules for your trading days. Then after that, then they'll say denied or approved.
Okay.
So once it says approved, it'll then say paid when they send the money to your account. So just a whole lot more steps.
Yeah. Well,
Where
from a business standpoint, and you know this, they're holding on to their outlay. Even they gotta pay, they'll hold it for a couple of more days.
Yep. And what's funny is I feel like they do it that way because people who trade with Apex, if they don't understand how everything works, they'll submit the request for a payout, but keep trading the account.
Yeah. So and then they'll end up blowing it anyway, and they'll be like, oh. Well.
They'll blow it or they'll mess it up where now that money's not there for the payout.
Yeah.
You know.
Looks like a nice bull flag starting to happen here. 2 minute. Oh, no.
Looking at the 2 minute.
It just popped up.
No, I'm looking at it. I'll most likely be not most likely. I'll be getting off at 11 today. I've gotten chopped up way too many times on Tradeify a day.
Yeah, this has been a rough day.
Where I'm just over it, to be real with you guys.
Look, you know what? Yeah, we just appreciate you leading the charge.
Hey, I'm trying to take all the arrows so you guys don't have to. You know what I'm saying?
Well, no,
leading from the front.
If you're looking at what I'm looking at, it's like the Battle of Bull Run over here. But
oh, listen, right. Every eval that I tried passing today with Tradeify blew.
Do you ever find like if it gets like drawn down to a certain level, it's almost not even worth it because it just like your aversion to risk becomes so much, you better like hit that sucker and go.
Yeah. Like, let me see. Let's see how many. Mind you, I have not had a day like this with Tradeify in a very, very long time. Very, very long time.
I'm doing pretty great on the sim account. I'm at 6,000.
So, I burned through. I'll let you guys guess. How many of you guys think I get burned through with Tradeify a day?
Today?
Yeah.
I'll say like 4 or 5.
6.
Damn.
But here
bad.
But here's the kicker, right? In my funded Apex accounts, I put money in those. And then I added 2 more funded accounts today during this session but with Tradeify, I could not get a trade to go right. I was early on almost every trade with Tradeify today. So that's the frustrating part for me. It's trading with the Apex, hitting. Switch over to the Tradeify, missing. But it's my own fault because normally when I feel like, oh, trading this prop firm today I'm not feeling it, I don't trade it. But today I'm like, nah, I'm doubling down.
Yeah, the famous words. No, we've all been there on that one.
Like, oh no, I'm doubling down. And what's crazy is it wasn't the drawdown with Tradeify. That's what got me a day. Because I would go up $1,000, not close the trade, and then pull back 1,500.
Yeah, and then you're like, boom.
You know what I'm saying? So that's how it wasn't that I was calling bad moves. It's I wouldn't close the trade in the green. That's why I'm so quick to close on green, because the pullbacks are what get me.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I learned that on the one because I thought it would go down. It wasn't a trailing drawdown, so otherwise I would have done different. But
Yeah,
I had a lot of Tradeify is kind of like got me with some rules this week, but oh well.
but what's crazy is Tradeify is one of the easiest ones for the rule side, because like Apex, they have rules that you won't know that there was a rule until they deny your payout.
Yeah.
So you're sitting there excited to get your money, and then they deny your payout, and then they come saying, "Oh, you broke such and such rule."
Hey, what's up?
So
What are you up to?
bear flag on the 5 minute.
See if I can borrow that thing again. Get a 10.
Oh yeah. How are you gonna do it?
4 rocks gonna help today. So I'm gonna just-
Yeah, go ahead and grab it, baby. It's in the RV. Everything good? This market's being a little psycho, but trying to that's fine. It doesn't matter if it drops or it goes up. It's about catching and selling the right thing. So, but I'm looking for momentum. It kind of starts and stops, and then that's where you.
Just still learning.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Look at that.
All right. Yeah, it's in there. Do you want me to? I mean, it's just kind of like right
I'm
where you
signing
left
off.
it,
You guys
or
have a good day.
You'll see it.
Have a good one. Wow, look at that bear flag on the 5 minute playing out right there.
No. No, you can hold on to it until I'm gonna need it by like later in the week, like Thursday or Friday, so I can reset.
You jumped in, Duane?
No, not jumping in.
Look, I was in the negative. I made a quick 1,000, but now I'm back up 200.
Well, he's
Okay.
got his game and all that.
I was back up
I
200.
love you.
All right,
Appreciate you. Yeah. So I'll have to figure out what
Duane, man, this thing look like it's gonna keep going
Let's
down.
do it.
Man. Whoa.
Get that car working.
This is crazy.
Like, what is going on?
Something had to come out.
It just keep going down.
Don't worry, if I put a short in, it'll start jumping up.
Oh
Don't
no,
worry.
I took a short. I made like 1,000. Took a short. That shit it just went. I was like, whoa, what just happened? And it did it like I think 2-3 times. Those drastic drops today. Green, so that's all that matters. All that matters.
Pick up to this account.
Oh, now you want to go back up. Well, that was 11 o'clock, so that's probably why I did that too.
Now I feel like we're gonna keep going lower.
Take your word for it.
All right, I'm done. I'm getting off. I'm done. But
Dwayne
see,
said,
I'm done.
Oh, you just
I'm-
blew that one too?
Just blew that one too. I'm done.
Oh man.
But it's my own fault. I didn't close. I'm being greedy, trying to get more, and that's my issue.
I feel you. Trust me. I feel you.
Like that's my issue.
I feel
That's my
you.
issue.
I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Trust me.
We got that pivot point all the way down at 493. 493. And then look. See?
And then what happened?
Just aggravate. Now that's aggravating.
Oh, I would have been. Oh. He said, Dwayne, he said, go back on this civic
today has been absolute. The way the market dropped. Let's see. We're coming back down to where we were yesterday. Because where this pivot point is, the 93 level, this was the same area we were in yesterday at 11 o'clock. Well, 11:14. But hey, gotta look at the positive.
Right.
Got 2 more funded accounts today. Add them to the list. We live to fight another day. And that's it. That's it.
Wanna go low? Go lower.
Well, all right, John. I'm gonna let you, great gentlemen, have a good rest of your day. Good weekend. We'll be back Monday. I'm gonna get off because if I stay on, I'm gonna end up buying another eval just to blow it. So, so I'm gonna cut my losses at this point on those evals and call it a day. So, all right,
Later
guys.
on, see you later on, Dwayne.
Have a good one, guys.